Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the job profiles and roles that you can expect after an MBA in marketing. So I did my MBA from SCMHRD Pune, and it's a Symbiosis Institute from Pune, in marketing in the year 2020, and currently I'm working in a sales role in an organization. So I wanted to bring to you all the job profiles and the roles that you can expect after doing an MBA in marketing. So this list is on the basis of my personal experience, how my batchmates are doing, and how people in different colleges are doing their jobs and what sorts of roles are they into. So I have briefly categorized the entire job profiles after an MBA into 6 categories. So the first one is sales, the second one is consulting, the third one is B2B marketing, the fourth one is co-marketing, the fifth one is general management, and the final one I have kept as miscellaneous. So briefly, let us go one by one and understand what all roles that you can expect in each category. So the first one which is there is sales. After an MBA in marketing, you can expect a role in sales. तो सेल्स में क्या होता है आपका, आप एक इधर एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर बनेंगे या टेरिटरी सेल्स मैनेजर बनेंगे इन एन एफएमसीजी और एन एफएमसीडी और एन ऑटोमोबाइल कंपनी. तो एफएमसीजी कंपनी आर प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू यूज ऑन अ डे टू डे बेसिस लाइक डिटर्जेंट, food materials, food, and then soap, shampoo, products like these. Because consumer durables are electronic goods, automobiles are companies like Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, etc. So you can expect an area sales manager or a territory sales manager role in this particular category, where you will be handling a given specific region based on the portfolio of products that the company handles. In terms of category managers, you will be managing full portfolio of a particular category. E-commerce comes, so these are roles which are there in e-commerce companies like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Say for example, you are going to handle men's grooming category, so that will include all products including from shampoos, hair gel, and shavers, etc. So this will come under the sales role. Now let us go to the consulting role. In a consulting role, you can expect a job offer in say big 3 firms or a big 4 firms. Big 3 firms are nothing but companies like McKinsey, Bain and Company. These companies visit very limited campuses in India, and you have to be in a top ranked business school to be able to eligible to enter one of these. The next is big 4 firms. The big 4 firms include the accounting firms like KPMG, Deloitte, Ernst & Young, etc. And you may also expect a role in IT or business consulting or a business analyst role. So all companies like Accenture, Wipro, TCS, etc. also visit B-School campuses to recruit for business consulting or IT consulting. The next is B2B marketing. So in B2B marketing, you will expect roles in a company that sells to different businesses. So how is B2B marketing different from B2C marketing? In a B2B marketing, a company sells its own products to a company, whereas in a B2C marketing, a business sells its own product to a consumer. So in B2B marketing, you can expect companies like Honeywell, Siemens. So these companies sell to other companies. They manufacture, say, industrial equipments or electrical equipments, and sell it to other companies that might require them to manufacture their own set of good products. So this is how a role in B2B marketing will be. Then coming into the core aspect of marketing, the roles that you can expect over here is digital marketing. Digital marketing involves search engine optimization, search engine management, and a lot of Facebook ads, Google ads, etc. And a lot of small companies and agencies will give you roles in their digital marketing. Then comes media marketing. Companies like Star, Sony, Zee, these people actively recruit MBA candidates for roles in media marketing. Then comes the brand managers. Brand managers handles a portfolio of brands for a company. Say for a company like HUL, you have a brand like Sunsilk. So a brand manager at Sunsilk will manage the entire Sunsilk brand as a whole. So brand managers is a role which is usually not given to freshers. You will have to spend a certain amount of time in sales, and then you might eventually move into brand management. And the next role includes others. So others will include international marketing, rural marketing, institutional marketing. So all companies have a different category of sections or different sections also, and you might get a role into any of these individual segments also in a particular business. The next comes general management. So in general management, the sort of role that you can expect is, number 1 will be project management. Number 2 is business vertical specific role. So in a GenMan role, you will be given a specific business vertical with a specific objective, and you have to ensure that you fulfill all the criteria of that particular objective that has been given to you. Okay, so companies, okay, let me so companies like Reliance and a lot of big Indian other conglomerates visit India for roles in general management. Now, the next is miscellaneous. In miscellaneous, I have taken different roles in which a company who is visiting a campus might recruit a candidate who has done MBA in marketing into one of these roles. So the first one can be IT sales. Companies like Wipro, Cognizant, they also come for pre-sales and they recruit MBAs in marketing for IT sales. Then comes roles in BFSI industry. Many banks, small finance banks and insurance companies do visit MBA campuses for roles because these companies also have retail products of their own like loans, credit cards, etc. And they employ marketing candidates to sell and further progress in these particular products. Then the third is a product management role. A product management role is mostly given in startups and companies that have a defined product. So in product management, you will be looking after a 360-degree overview of a product. Say there is a particular application that a company is developing, then the entire 360-degree development of the app will be taken care by you in terms of features, in terms of functionality, etc. And the fourth one is roles in startups. Many startups are these days hiring students from business schools so that they can utilize the minds of the young generation to help improve their business on a day-to-day basis. So this was a brief overview of what all roles that you can expect in marketing, but you have to be aware of the fact that certain roles are available in certain campuses only. You will not find all of these roles open for you in all the campuses across India. So you make an informed choice, and on the basis of the school that you join, you do adequate research about it, what all roles are there that you can get into from that particular business school, and accordingly you can take your career trajectory forward. So with that, thanks a lot for viewing this video. I hope you liked it and gained some insights on what all roles you can expect after marketing. So do subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and that will motivate me to create more videos in the future. Thank you.